Welcome to Unboxing with Bill. My name is Bill Hirschinger. I am the Director of Engineering at Standard Electric. I'm here with Brady rep. His name's TJ DeToro. And Brady has two different divisions. One's the ID group, and the other one is the safety group. And TJ works for the safety group. Correct. What is the safety group at Brady?
Well, the visual workplace safety side of our business, we really focus on facility identification and safety. So it's pretty full offering, everything from the products, the service, as well as the software to help customers in industrial. And
so a lot of it is the signage, though, is the biggest part of this.
Signage. Labeling.
So anywhere you go in a factory and it says warning or, you know, whatever eye wash area, that would be probably the Brady products.
Yeah, absolutely. Anything visual is really where we play,
okay.
Right? Everything from the ceiling to the floor, you know, signage, labeling, floor marking. Lockout, tagout is a big focus for us as well.
Which is huge for us too.
Yes.
So,
yes.
Excellent. You brought a box today, and it's one of, I think, the biggest box that we've actually had on Unboxing with Bill. It looks like a printer, probably.
It is a printer. We are very excited about this printer.
It's a big, we call that a BFB. I have a knife here. We'll try not to cut myself or anybody else.
So
I haven't yet.
Good. We don't want that.
But there's always a first.
All right. Well, what you are opening here is the newest Brady solution in the world of visual workplace and safety. It's the Brady J7300.
It looks like a lot of styrofoam to me.
It is. It is. Well, let's get this guy open so we can start playing with it. So what we did here with the inkjet technology is we were able to create a full color printer. So there's a lot more capabilities with bold, vibrant colors, but still in that Brady durability that we have with all of our other printers. A number of applications, whether it's industrial, laboratory, wire marking, many different applications.
If I grab the plastic, can you pull the box?
Yes, you will.
So let's check this out. Wow, I could probably put bodies in this bag. It's so big.
Yeah, so you can see it matches the coloring and the branding and the way all of our printers look, but it's all in an inkjet technology. So. And
this one is released now?
Yes, this actually just launched last month. It is available for purchase, and we are shipping them out currently. And
to save you from us unpacking everything, we have it all plugged in. It's all ready to go, and we'd like to show you some sample labels and tell us a little bit about this technology of this printer.
Yeah, so just like every other Brady printer, the materials are all smart chipped. So you drop it straight in. The firmware on here, as well as the Brady Workstation software, is going to know exactly what label material.
Because the chip's in that bundle of the label, of that holder in there. Okay.
That's exactly correct. So we really kept a lot of the different options, whether you want vinyl or polyester, lab materials, lots of different materials you can put in here, whether you want a continuous tape or a pre-die cut material.
So this uses Brady Workstation for
correct.
The software, just like all the other printers.
That is correct.
And can you print show us and while you're printing, I have some labels we already done.
Yeah.
But, let's let you hear what the printer's saying. It wants to talk to you and show you what it is.
Exactly. So we'll do a print sample here.
So,
and one of the cool things that I really love about this printer is the fact that it is an inkjet, but the label comes right out, and there's no smudge, there's no smearing. It dries instantly. And
it feels like a vinyl label that has like a laminate on over it, but it actually doesn't. But it looks like it could be fairly water resistant to a certain degree, and obviously on a lot of our panels electrical panels that we sell or that we help provide, these would be very easy.
Exactly.
For a warning label or caution for electrical.
Exactly. And with the Brady Workstation software, there's a number of built-in apps to really streamline the label creation process, whether you're doing pipe marking or wire marking, general safety labels, lockout, tagout application, things like that. The software is really going to streamline that process where you can get those labels designed quickly.
Is this the test one that we printed before?
That is just to show the full capabilities of the printer and all the colors and matching specific PMS colors. If anybody ever wants to put a logo, their logo on some sort of labeling, this is the way to go.
So have you ever heard of the RAL coloring of enclosures, things like that?
I've heard of it.
I wonder if they do any RAL labels.
I think colors. I think you can match them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, we'll look into that.
Yes. But go ahead and feel that right away. There's no smudge. It dries right away.
That is just crazy.
Yeah.
I love it.
All right. Beautiful.
TJ, thank you very much for coming over and talking about this product. Please ask our account managers for more information from Brady, and we'll get TJ involved in helping you guys out. And we want to solve your applications and make it easy for you guys. So thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next Unboxing with Bill. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.